Good morning, medical fans. This is Watson, your source for medical news, pimple popping, and extreme surgical procedures. And today, we're going to check out one of my favorite YouTube channels. It's called Best of the Emergency Room. I'll put the channel link in the description below. You're going to want to subscribe. The channel started with emergency room director Carlo Auger, who we nicknamed Dr. ER. And it showcased some of his most noteworthy medical cases. From there, it morphed to cover medical case studies, surgeries, and extreme medical procedures like this. While I tell you more, please check out this abscess removal in its entirety. The channel also pulls cases from medical journals and Figure 1 to showcase some of the most fascinating injuries, broken bones, drainage procedures, etc. And don't worry, there are plenty of pimple pops too. There have been new videos on the channel every single Monday morning at 9 a.m. Eastern for several years. And full disclosure, Adam and I assist with the channel, so you may hear my voice doing narration on several of the videos. So what are you waiting for? Click that link in the description. And hit subscribe and click the notification bell for all the updates. And now, a word about another favorite of mine, Rest More. It's a healthy way to improve your sleep every night.
I would like to tell you about Rest More, an all-natural sleep aid designed to help you fall asleep and stay asleep. If you're looking for a great natural way to get better quality sleep, please visit buyrestmore.com. Thanks for watching. There's an Amazon link below.
Rest More is an essential addition to your medicine cabinet for those times you need to fall asleep but can't. Remember, when you just need more rest, get Rest More. Now available on Amazon. Good night.